Today we will fix an efflorescence problem. This is efflorescence. Efflorescence is a water-soluble mineral salt. It comes from moisture, which originates on the other side of this wall and is carried through the wall. The moisture evaporates at the surface, leaving behind those mineral salts, and we see them as the white powder or white crystals. What we're going to do with this wall is clean off the efflorescence with the wire brush. You don't need to use any kind of fancy acids or cleaners. Just clean off the white powder, the crystals, and leave yourself a nice clean surface. Then we'll drill a series of holes in this wall with a masonry bit. We're drilling the holes into each cavity of the concrete blocks, starting down here all the way up to the fourth course. Okay, now we have our great stuff going into our 1/4-inch holes. We finished off the bottom couple of courses. So what I do is inject the great stuff in the lower hole until I see it start to come out the hole above it. Then I stop there and move on to the next hole. So we got this one full, went across there. We injected into these holes here. Injected here, it's already started to come out that one. Got that one full. So now we're gonna hit this hole. I'll go over here until it starts coming out up here. I'll shoot some in here until it starts coming out there, and so forth. Go. Okay folks, we got all the cavities filled. Now it could take maybe a can of great stuff per block or per 2 blocks, roughly that order. So we went through and filled up this course here until it started oozing out the top row, and then I went in and shot another can of great stuff in each block. So I have to put another can, 2 cans, 3 cans. Now what you could do is just leave your great stuff tube stuck in there, and that would prevent it from oozing out. You could get a package of 1/4-inch wooden dowels and pound those in to keep it from oozing out. Or you could just let it ooze out like this and let it harden and scrape it off with a putty knife. Okay folks, now we're going to patch up these spalled out spots. We have our thin set mortar here. Another option would be to use regular masonry mortar with the acrylic bonding agent. We had this left over from another project, so we will use this up. Okay folks, we're back. We've applied our patching mortar compound to cover up all the holes, and we've started to apply our waterproofing paint to finish off this job.